Hi everyone, here we've got Realme C3 and let me share with you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, and since you are on the photo mode, we can tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner. As you can see on the very left, we've got the frame option, which is connected to the ratio, and right now we've got 16:9 option applied, and you can say that the camera has got, let's say, a rectangular shape. If you'd like to change it, all you have to do is simply tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately changed to the frame 4:3, and it is still rectangular, but it is much smaller than the previous one. After tapping again, we can set 1:1 frame, and right now the camera is in the square shape. And after tapping again, we can set full option, so it is elongated on the full screen. After tapping again, we can set again 16:9. So actually this is how to change the ratio in your Realme C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.